In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a negative keyword list for Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Campaign tab. Then look for the Audiences, Keywords, and Content option. Click and expand it. Now, under the Audiences, Keywords, and Content settings, click on the Keywords option, and you can see all your keywords listed. To add negative keywords, look for the Negative Keywords tab right next to the Keywords tab on the top. Click on it. Click the plus icon to create a new list. You can add negative keywords by creating a list, or you can use an already created keyword list. Then select a campaign you want to add the negative keywords to. Now add the keywords you want to block. Make sure you added them one per line. Then finally, click Save to create the list. You can apply this negative keyword list to one or multiple campaigns. And that's it. That's how you create a negative keyword list for Google Ads. Thanks for watching.